Meanwhile, activist and politician Omoyele Sowore has vowed to go on with the planned Free Nnamdi Kanu Now protest in Abuja, saying that no court has stopped the planned demonstration. Sowore, while addressing journalists in Abuja, said that although the police approached the Federal High Court in Abuja last Friday seeking to halt the protest, the judge declined to grant a restraining order, refusing to stop Nigerians from exercising their fundamental right to peaceful assembly. He added that the court only granted a limiting order directing that the defendants be served by Friday, a condition that was never fulfilled. Sowore maintains that since the ex-party order has elapsed, protesters are within their legal rights to march peacefully across Abuja and other parts of the country.
So tomorrow we will be out there, and we want to also clarify that there is no court order issued against the protests. Of course, the police, in their anxiety and desperation, went to Federal High Court judge on Friday and asked them to stop us from visiting certain areas. In fact, they initially wanted to ask the judge to stop, but the judge vehemently denied that he cannot ask the Nigerians not to protest, exercise their fundamental human right. So they granted a limited order. And the judge, in his number 3 order, said they must serve the defendants. They must serve the defendants by Friday. We have not been served. I only got to hear about the order through another person. And the order has lapsed because, as an ex parte order, service is the only thing that can activate an ex parte order. That has not been served. So we are going ahead tomorrow, and we will march peacefully, powerfully, and legally on the streets of Abuja. And anywhere you might be, our own position is that this must be completely peaceful protest. And we hope that at the end of the protest, common sense will prevail and will bring Mr. Nnamdi Kanu home. Here is the truth, and what they don't want you to know is that the Court of Appeal cleared Mr. Kanu in 2022 and discharged and acquitted him. That's the final. Yet the DSS, even upon this discharge and acquittal, never released him even for a second, in disobedience of the Court of Appeal position. It was pure contempt, and it has always been their tradition to defy the rule of law that they claim they subscribe to.
And our News Central correspondent, Joshua Imarayi, was at the press briefing, and he joins us now on the story for more details. Joshua, happy Sunday to you. So tell us more as regards this planned protest for tomorrow.
Well, of course, as we heard, they are still going on with the planned protest. We just see the freedom the after making a decision that the time. Well, so during this press conference, maybe some allegation against the police and the DSS. Sowore said despite 2 court orders, one from the Court of Appeal and another from the Supreme Court, to show the family that this order actually clearing Nnamdi Kanu and striking of certain allegations of against him by the DSS, that the DSS has refused to engage Nnamdi Kanu, describing it as contempt of court. Sowore also made some allegations against the Commissioner of Police, saying that the Deputy Commissioner of Police are giving orders to police officers to be hard-handed in handling the process, that in what the Commissioner of Police that nothing to happen to this protester. Of course, Sowore also made some allegations saying that the current law is actually obsolete. You start the terrorism act of 22. Like non-existence. These were some of the allegations to make in press conference that we also confirmed that the planned demonstration will go nevertheless despite threats and several voters, and we also accused the Nigerian police of trying to stagnate the process, insisting that the process will go on as planned.
All right, thank you so much, Joshua. It's a bit of a scramble having to hear you share these details with us, but then we'll try and make sure that the audio line is clear, probably in our subsequent bulletins, to get more details from you as regards the planned protest for tomorrow. But then thank you so much for sharing the bits that you had for us this afternoon.